and we're off for the first time. Again, we're off again, and we're cruising. This time I just made an X. I marked an X on the map, and we're heading there. And really, that's what happened. So let's see what happens. Bruno is running ahead. There he goes. And without security, we're just cruising.
Agora aqui esconde, sim senhor. Meio frio.
É dele. Já não passa.
Stop inside the river. We are just waiting on 2 quads to come down the track. We want to go up And yeah, this is going. The weather is amazing, and yeah. So this is the trek I'm talking about. We're expecting 2 quads. Now his fellow biker is over there and he just warned us that they were coming down, so we gotta wait for them. Ah, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ah, there's another one there. This is wonderful. This is why we do it. This is why we do it. We were waiting on the 2 quads and they never came down. They were not quads, they were two bikers. But the problem is that one of them fell down and he was, well, suffering a little bit. So we had to come up to see if he was alright. He was taking a rest, but, well, 2 hikers, my God. And they thought no one would come here.
Então, mais um bocadinho subias o eucalipto, não?
And here we are. Now, after seeing the waterfalls, they are beautiful, beautiful. I can only imagine that in plain winter, pouring all that water down. They are really beautiful. But I didn't enjoy this adventure that much. we didn't do any meal. I didn't have milk. No, can't be. Wouldn't be an adventure without milk. Do you like my new paint job? So I just had it made. Let me see. Haha. And now this is the real thing. All over. We couldn't paint one side and the other not. And beautiful. This is my new paint job, and this is how we like it. Beautiful. So, now, I'm not driving. Mrs. Overland is not driving. The little missus is not driving. But my 4x4 is riding. And it's a little bit confusing. Now, 1, 2, 3. Well, I don't know. Where's my car? No way. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. So, what did you add to drink?
Milk.
You had milk? My God, no way. And another go. Slowly, easy on the clutch. Yeah, that's it. Slowly. Now, she's 11. She knows how to start the fire. Yeah, I think she's doing okay. She's pushing that throttle. Ah.
Let's get your wheel.
Okay. Now, push forward, yes. Are you taking some passengers? Easy on the clutch. Of course, they're running in low gear. Of course, I'm not crazy. Maybe a little. But if they had milk, they're okay. My two little misses on the way to a party. I gotta buy them a car. I'll buy another Land Rover so we can all have fun on the bush, on the dirt. Why is she getting that far? My God. Nah, this time she's going on first gear, low gear. She's having her sister right beside her. Look at, put your hands on the wheel! Oh, come on! She's really making it easy, isn't she? No hands on the wheel. Come on. No way. How was the trip? Okay. Say goodbye. Subscribe. Your thumbs up. Just a small adventure. And we'll get to some epic adventures near in the future. So just enjoy it. Please comment down there on the comments. And yeah, come along. Ooh, cheers.